Have you been feeling sluggish or off your game lately? You might be suffering from a nutritional deficiency. Whether you're an athlete looking to boost your performance or just someone trying to feel their best, making sure you get enough of all the essential nutrients can make a big difference. In this video, we'll talk about 10 common nutritional deficiencies and how to fix them according to experts in the field. 1. Calcium. Calcium is a mineral that's important for strong bones and teeth, but it also helps with muscle function, nerve signaling, and blood clotting. According to the National Institutes of Health, adults should aim for 1,000 milligrams of calcium per day. But many people fall short of this amount. This can lead to problems like osteoporosis, which can increase the risk of fractures. To get more calcium in your diet, eat foods like dairy products, tofu, kale, and salmon. You can also take a supplement, but it's best to get your nutrients from food whenever possible. Number 2. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is a nutrient that helps the body absorb calcium. It's also important for bone health. The problem is that many people don't get enough vitamin D. This is because our bodies produce vitamin D when exposed to sunlight. And since many people have jobs that keep them indoors, they don't get enough exposure to sunlight. Other factors like age and darker skin pigmentation can also play a role. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that only 11% of non-Hispanic white adults and 4% of non-Hispanic black adults met the recommended dietary intake for vitamin D. So what can you do to get more vitamin D? Well, you can spend some time in the sun, but don't overdo it. Just 10 to 30 minutes of moderate sun exposure a few times a week should do the trick. You can also get vitamin D from foods like fatty fish, beef liver, and egg yolks. 3. Iron. Iron is a mineral that helps transport oxygen throughout the body. It's especially important for women who lose blood each month during their menstrual cycles. The problem is that many women don't get enough iron. According to the World Health Organization, 30% of women of reproductive age are deficient in iron. This can lead to a condition called anemia, which can cause fatigue and weakness. To prevent anemia, be sure to include iron-rich foods in your diet. These include red meat, spinach, and beans. You can also take an iron supplement, but it's important to talk to your doctor first. That's because too much iron can be toxic. Number 4. Magnesium. Magnesium is a mineral that helps regulate muscle and nerve function. It also helps with blood sugar control and blood pressure regulation. According to the National Institutes of Health, adults should aim for 400 to 420 milligrams of magnesium per day. But many people fall short of this amount. This can lead to problems like muscle cramps and fatigue. To get more magnesium in your diet, eat foods like pumpkin seeds, spinach, and avocado. You can also take a supplement, but it's always best to get your nutrients from food. Number 5. Potassium. Potassium is a mineral that helps balance fluid levels in the body. It also helps regulate heart rhythm and blood pressure. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, 9 out of 10 Americans aren't getting enough potassium. This can lead to problems like high blood pressure and heart disease. To prevent these problems, be sure to include potassium-rich foods in your diet. These include bananas, sweet potatoes, and beans. You can also take a potassium supplement, but it's important to talk to your doctor first. 6. Protein. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues in the body. It's also important for hormone production and immune function. According to the Dietary Guidelines for Americans, adults should aim for 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day. But many people fall short of this amount. This can lead to problems like muscle loss and a weakened immune system. To get more protein in your diet, eat foods like lean meat, poultry, fish, beans, and lentils. You can also get protein from plant-based sources like tofu and nuts. If you're worried that you're not getting enough protein, talk to your doctor. They may recommend a protein supplement. Number 7. B vitamins. B vitamins are a group of 8 water-soluble vitamins that are essential for many different functions in the body. They help convert food into energy. support healthy skin and nervous system function, and help make red blood cells. According to the National Institutes of Health, the most common B vitamin deficiencies are B1 thiamine, beta riboflavin, and B3 niacin. These deficiencies can lead to problems like fatigue, insomnia, and depression. To get more B vitamins in your diet, eat foods like whole grains, leafy green vegetables, and legumes. You can also take a B-complex supplement. Number 8. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is a water-soluble vitamin that's important for many different functions in the body. It helps the body absorb iron, supports healthy skin and immune system function, and helps protect against cell damage. According to the National Institutes of Health, the recommended daily intake of vitamin C for adults is 75 milligrams. But many people fall short of this amount. This can lead to problems like bleeding gums and a weakened immune system. To get more vitamin C in your diet, eat foods like citrus fruits, strawberries, and bell peppers. You can also take a vitamin C supplement, but it's always best to get your nutrients from food. Number 9. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble vitamin that's important for protecting cells from damage. It also helps with blood clotting and immune function. According to the National Institutes of Health, the recommended daily intake of vitamin E for adults is 15 milligrams. But many people fall short of this amount. This can lead to problems like vision loss and cognitive decline. To get more vitamin E in your diet, eat foods like almonds, sunflower seeds, and spinach. You can also take a vitamin E supplement. But again, it's always best to get your nutrients from food. Number 10. Zinc. Zinc is a mineral that's important for many different functions in the body. It helps with wound healing, taste and smell, and immune system function. It also helps make proteins and DNA. According to the National Institutes of Health, the recommended dietary intake of zinc for adult males is 11 milligrams per day. For adult females, it's 8 milligrams per day. But many people fall short of these amounts. This can lead to problems like hair loss and delayed wound healing. To get more zinc in your diet, eat foods like oysters, beef, and beans. You can also take a zinc supplement, but it's important to talk to your doctor first. That's because too much zinc can interfere with other nutrients, like iron and copper. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to stay up to date on all our latest content. Thanks for watching.